Welcome to Step 6 of our Digital Innovation Accelerator, Tech Matcher. In this step, we'll focus on ensuring your solution performs seamlessly, stays secure, and remains compliant throughout its lifecycle. To speed things up, you can use AI to instantly generate technical requirement suggestions based on your project context. Architectural decisions are design decisions that are hard to make or costly to change. Olaf Zimmermann once said that, and it perfectly captures the essence of this step. Strong architectural choices form the backbone of any digital solution. They balance what's desired with what's practical. At this stage, teams often face three struggles. They fail to properly address security and privacy concerns, they run into integration challenges between systems, and they underestimate the cost and effort needed for maintenance. Our approach to Tech Matcher follows three essential actions. 1. Understand how your solution will be used throughout its entire lifecycle. 2. Define performance criteria to ensure smooth operation. And 3. Set requirements for security, data privacy, and compliance. Before we dive into the DIA tool, let's look at the AI feature for this step. AI Brainstorm helps you generate suggestions for your project's overall technical setup, including architecture preferences and technology constraints. Simply fill in the technical requirements overview field above, then click Brainstorm AI to generate ideas automatically. You can accept, go back, or try again, giving you a fast, structured starting point for defining your architecture. Now that your technical overview is defined, focus on how the solution will perform and expand over time. Start by describing its availability and scalability. For example, ensuring stable uptime during business hours today, and the ability to grow from a few hundred to several thousand users as adoption increases. Then, outline your hosting preferences and any third-party integrations that keep the system connected and flexible. These details shape an architecture that can handle higher loads, new features, and future integrations without major redesigns. Step 2. Define performance criteria. Think of performance criteria as the heartbeat of your solution. They keep everything running smoothly. Defining them early ensures your application performs reliably under real conditions. Let's define how your solution should perform day to day. In performance criteria, set clear goals: 1 second for web load, 500 milliseconds for API response, and 99.9% uptime. Then, in uptime, explain when the app must be fully available. For example, operational Monday to Saturday during business hours, with maintenance planned outside those times. These targets keep the system fast, stable, and dependable as usage grows. Finally, define how your solution will remain secure, private, and compliant throughout its lifecycle. Start with data management and data privacy. For example, encrypting data both at rest and in transit, and ensuring compliance with GDPR by storing customer data regionally within the EU. Next, scroll down to security and compliance. Here, outline access controls and any mandatory safeguards, such as role-based permissions, multi-factor authentication, and strict separation of customer environments. This ensures that no client can ever access another's data or assets, protecting both confidentiality and trust. Here's a tip: when designing your architecture, focus on both functional and non-functional requirements, like performance, scalability, and security. Keep it simple and modular by applying principles such as separation of concerns and domain-driven design. And remember, the best architecture is not the most complex one. It's the one that evolves easily as your solution grows. In summary, Tech Matcher helps you ensure seamless performance and compliance across all platforms. By defining your technical requirements, security standards, and performance criteria early, you build a stable foundation that keeps your solution reliable, scalable, and ready for future growth.